just when you thought that the Supreme Court's 2G verdict had spared no one. Well, here's more. ET now learns that the spectrum awarded to Vodafone and Aircel in 2007 could well be under the scanner as well, and that's because the Department of Telecommunications is seeking a legal opinion on the fate of this particular spectrum. Gauri Dwivedi is joining us live from the capital to talk to us about that story. Gauri.
This could, of course, be a significant blow for both these companies. What the Department of Telecom really wants to do at this stage is figure out all the grey areas. Whatever will be the implicit implications of the Supreme Court judgment is something it really wants to streamline before any auctions take place. And that includes the spectrum that was granted to Vodafone and Aircel in 2007, end of 2007. Remember, the licenses were granted in December 2006, but the spectrum was actually awarded a year later. In fact, the Supreme Court order is quite clear. It says the DOT decisions between September 2007 and October 2008 were made to favor one or the other telecom company and hurt the government exchequer. It's a very scathing judgment, and given this keeping this in mind, the DOT has decided to seek a legal opinion on the spectrum that was granted. And you're not just talking about a few circles. For Vodafone, it's 7 circles, and for Aircel, it's as many as 14 circles, and some very large circles, including Delhi, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. It's actually very significant, and a fair bit of traction actually coming from Karnataka, Kerala, the circles where Aircel actually has a prominent, significant presence. So clearly a big blow as far as Vodafone and Aircel are concerned, given the fact that DOT wants a certain legal opinion and absolute clarity on the spectrum.